Okay, testing 1 2 3. Hey, Mary, what's up, bro? What's up, Mary? Uh, yeah, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. We're gonna take a look at our charts right now. Kind of in a nasty range. We did took some sales during Asian session, off stream actually. But yeah, before we do anything, we're gonna see how last week's candle closed. So last week's candle closed bullish, creating some sort of support level just a little bit above 1750. So current daily candle pretty much rejected 1750, pushing up at this point. I don't know, maybe we could fill the previous weekly candles bullish wick over here, or we could drive bearish. Either way, not too sure about that. Dropping down to the daily time frame now, we can clearly see that last week's Friday's candle closed bearish, hitting a resistance area at 1756 right here. Okay, creating resistance at 1756.
8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi. Definitely slower. Yes.
We have made a bottom wick on the daily time frame, but
Planet right now.
not too sure if price is gonna come back to retest this support level at 1738 or not. Or could definitely push bullish at this point. But yeah, pretty much trading in the range between 1756, 1738. It is a pretty decent range. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are breaking above the previous 4-hour candle high, coming up to this resistance area at 1754. Right here on the 4-hour time frame. So if you do break above this resistance level on the 4-hour time frame, we could definitely push up to 1757, which is the next resistance area on the 4-hour time frame. Or we could reject this area, potentially come down to retest support, which was formed on the formation of the previous 30-minute, previous bullish 4-hour candle at around the 174700 area. Right here. So we'll see if we break above it or we reject it, come back down. At this point, we're not too sure about the direction of it. Gonna hop on out to the 1-hour time frame, see what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. Now, looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have broken above this minor resistance area on the 1-hour time frame at 1752. So at this point, we are trading above 1753 at this point, which is the previous support level on the 1-hour time frame. The only problem is we need a 1-hour candle close above 1753 to justify this next push coming up to 1760. If that's going to be the case. Otherwise, I definitely think we could potentially come back down to 1750. Most definitely. We'll see how price reacts to 1753, the 1753 level right over here. Looking at the 30-minute time, looking at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, looking at the 30-minute time frame also. This is a pretty strong level on the 30-minute time frame also at 1754. Pretty strong resistance level at 1754. Yeah, we have clean traffic to the bottom, to be honest. And if you continue this higher high, lower low structure, I think we could definitely come down to retest the lows. So 1754 has been rejected at this point. Looks good. It looks good to drive bearish, to be honest. We just have to wait for a good strong confirmation to get in on sales at this point. I'm still bearish biased, to be honest, but I'm not gonna take any trades unless we get some sort of confirmation.
distractingly good deal every day, all November long, only in the Macca's app.
Mary, you there, bro?
as unmissable as an ad break in your ear. It's the Briscoe's giant Black Friday sale. Don't miss your chance to catch huge doorbusters and 25 to 70% off store.
Okay, we have this 30-minute count closing in the next 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We can clearly see that we've rejected 7054. At this point, we are going to take sales. We're really going to anticipate this 1 hour candle, 30-minute candle, all time frames start pushing bearish. But we're not going to be taking entries upon confirmations. Either a break of the candle low or formation of a bearish 30-minute candle or the 1 hour candle. We just have to be really patient on this one. Okay, go, slowly pushing. Yeah, I think we're gonna get in on a sell on this one. See if we can close below 1751.50. Then we're gonna have sell stops on the break of the previous just got in on a sell over here on the break of the previous 30-minute candle low. Hopefully we can start driving bearish at this point. Really expecting volume to really drive price bearish. Something is freaking wrong with my mouse. We are running pretty nicely. Want to look to secure some profits at around 10 pips. Our stop loss is above the previous 30-minute candle high. So let's see. Got our entry right here. Stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle high. But that's not our ultimate stop loss. We're going to look to manage risk along the way. And our take profit would be down here. So our entry is at 1751.02. So 1751.02. Then 1, 2. Right there. If we can start trending now, that would be super great. Otherwise, I'm really gonna wait for this 30-minute candle close. Really gonna see if we can milk this market. Yeah, at this point, we're not expecting this 1 hour candle to flip. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce our stop loss to 1753. This actually looks good to drive, to be honest. It looks really good to drive. We are running at like 5 pips right now. Hopefully we can stay. Hopefully we can continue this momentum bearish. Continue pushing. That would be great. Mary got in on a sell too. Jeez, bruh. This one's gonna play out very, very nicely, to be honest. I really believe he's gonna start trending now. As long as we close bearish on the 1-hour time frame, and as long as we close bearish on the 30-minute time frame, definitely think we could start popping at this point. There we go. Everything's bearish. The only thing is our only problem now is this forward time frame, forward candle. Our forward candle just needs to turn bearish, and that would be great. We are going to be approaching some sort of resistance level somewhere over here at around 1749.50 right over here. So this is where I'm going to look to secure positions. Because we're not too sure, we might start rejecting this area right over here.
Watch League of Legends videos ad-free and learn to win uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
I actually really want to see how this 30-minute candle is going to close. I have a strong feeling it's going to close very, very strong bearish. So just might see how it closes, and hopefully it can start trending at this point. Really expecting price to come down to 1747. That would be great. That would actually be a good trade. The only problem now is we just have to break below 1750. So we have 21 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. So hopefully we can really start driving at this point. There we go. Clock 10 pips. Now that we're at 10 pips, at this point, if price comes back to entry, we're going to close half of our trade. You know what? I might just look to secure positions right over here. Oh no. Actually, I'm gonna let this run. Yeah. We're gonna see how this one account closes. I'm gonna secure anything. Mary, what do you mean you're out? Come on. Where you out, bruh? Come on, man. You don't trade gold? You go skate there? We do have 70 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes, so based on how this 30-minute candle closes, yeah. We are back in his range, so we're really gonna wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes. Really want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. This one account comes back about 752. Close about 752, we're gonna close the entire trade.
With YouTube Premium and get into what you're into. Whether it's your favorite hobby or newest obsession, watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Yeah.
You've gone from watching drum solos on your phone to playing along with them in a soundproof basement. Download and rock out even when the Wi-Fi is lagging. Try YouTube Premium on us.
I think it's really turning around right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is happening here? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
YouTube Music is a music app made by YouTube.
Testing, 1, 2,
And you
3.
can use Google Assistant to play your songs. Like, hey Google, play sexy mood music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, you man. If any case, you need to go to kind of stream zoom in. So. Chris here said got relatively equal lows at 17 and 46.02. Are you anticipating movement towards that level or lower? 1746. Let's see what you're looking at. Yeah, you're right, bro. I am anticipating a move down over here, but you know, we might not get it at this session, to be honest. And if you don't get it, then this is going to be our only trade for the day. I did take some profits during AG sessions, so I'm pretty much good with letting this one go. So it's not a, it won't affect me in any way if I let this one go. So yeah, this is like a 20 pip stop loss on this, and once this 50-minute candle closes, I'll wait for 5 minutes and then look to reduce my risk further. So hey, Mary Pole, Mary, do not overtrade, bruh. Don't overtrade. Yeah, we haven't. The only risk management we took was we just stop loss from up here down to over here. So once this candle closes again, I'm gonna look to reduce a little more. Your order triggered at 752.05. Oh, very nice, bro. Yeah, we have this. It's a bit of a tricky situation right over here. So we also have this 30-minute starting to flip bearish as well. Ideally, we like it to stay bearish, and this 30-minute cannot close in the next 2 minutes. As long as we close above 1752, that would be ideal. If you start closing above it, then I'm not gonna be too comfortable in this trade. But however it closes, we're gonna look to manage risk, potentially reduce our stop losses. But I think our stop loss is at a good level, to be honest. If price is gonna continue bearish, I'm not really expecting. I'm not expecting price to come back above 1752. Only problem is the 1750 area. I've been rejecting it, so hopefully we can start really breaking through the level, potentially drive bearish. That would be ideal. We're in a minor downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, so really anticipating this these highs over here to be respected, potentially forming a new low at that point. But it's all a game of probability, and we'll see how it plays out. Chris, so Chris is in this trade also, 7052 06. Chris, where's your stop loss at? Okay, once this 30-minute candle closes bearish, gonna reduce our stops a little bit further down to 750 to 50. There we go. We have closed bearish again. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to adjust our stop loss to 1752.50. Stop loss is 1753. Oh, same. But I adjusted my stop loss to above the previous 30-minute candle, because if we want price to trend, it shouldn't come back up, break above the previous 30-minute candle. So that's why I put my stops there. But nice entry, bro. We're coming in a range. In this range over here, on the 1 hour time frame. Where's this drawing tool thingy? Okay, now this right over here is a problem. 1749.50 right over here. It's a level where price has been really struggling to break below. So maybe if price comes down over here, even on the 30-minute time frame at 1749.50, we could potentially look at securing profits at that level. Or could potentially move our stop loss to break even. So
Get YouTube Music Premium.
we're coming back into this rangy area, so I really don't like this range, to be honest. Don't like this range at all. So we gotta be very we have to be prepared to manage risk, either on the bullish candle close. We've already reduced risk significantly, so ideally it should not come above 1752. Yeah. What's this? See what's happening on the 50-minute time frame. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit tricky on the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, nah, I think the 30-minute I think that on 30-minute looks good to drag bearish. Yeah. If we tap this level here in the 30-minute time frame, this support level on the 30-minute time frame at 1749.50, I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Or we're gonna look to manage risk further at that level over right over here. I took some nice sells during Asian session right over here. It wasn't much. Took it right here as soon as I saw the 101 candle starting to reject this resistance over here. Took a sell right over here, secure profits along the way over here. Left the runner running, and then we go stop that break even. Yeah, bro. It's good. It's a good thing you got out of break. You're risk free. It's always good to be risk free. I had an opportunity to be risk free right over here, but I had a feeling we're gonna have some rejection before dropping later on, so I just let it go. But instead of going risk free, I just reduced my stop loss. So if we get tagged out, we get tagged out. But hey, as long as you're securing profits, yeah, you're good. We might get stopped out, to be honest. But if you do get stopped out, it is what it is. I wouldn't be comfortable for price coming up above 1752 like what it's doing right now. So if you get tagged out, we get tagged out. I'm not gonna look to take any more trades. I'm probably gonna wait for NY session update on the Discord level. Nice work, bro. And there we go. We just got tagged out of this trade right over here. Manage risk very well. So initial stop loss was here. Manage risk. Lost less than we anticipated. So it's always a good thing to manage risk. If you don't manage risk, then go into the habit of spiraling out of control.
You started with a K-pop dance tutorial, and now you're a Blackpink superfan.
Anyways, guys, pretty much done for the day. We're gonna call it a session now.
Uninterrupted.
Yeah,
Premium and get all your videos
we're gonna call it a session. I really don't want to be playing in this range over here. It's nasty. We're gonna wait for the 4-hour time frame to play out. We'll see how it plays out in the 4-hour time frame. Cheers, bro. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it, bro. Feel free to join on Zoom whenever you want, bro. Discord to stop. Suppose you like update lo sa trade pag sila now night NY session, maybe. Yeah. I think this minor bullish trend on the lower time frames are pretty much holding at this point. Yeah. It's a good thing we managed risk right away. See how it's pushing up. Anyways, cheers, guys. Calling it a session. I'll catch you guys tomorrow during Asian session. Or we're gonna have potentially some trades happening tonight during NY session, so we'll see how that plays out. Cheers, guys.